bring you home. Yeah, come on.
Full of surprises naman pala kay Mami at Daddy. Oo.
Wow, thank you, Daddy. Thank you.
Kaya naman yun eh. Cellphone yun. Ano yan? Oh.
iPhone!
Wow, iPhone 6.
Thank you, Daddy.
Nakakaya.
Mami!
Thanks, Mom.
Nakakaya po yun. iPhone 6?
Naiyak na ako.
Nakakayak naman yun. Kasi ang
Ikaw lang
mahal
walang cellphone, kawawa.
Kawawa ka naman.
Thank you, Mommy.
I love you, Daddy.
Okay, mag-o-office na ako kasi baka wala akong pambayad dyan.
Sa gagawa ka ng vlog, ako mag-e-edit.
Mag-o-office na ako.
Thank you, mate. I'm going to unbox my gift for my birthday. First, I got iPhone.
Thanks for your help. We got iPhone 6 here, boy. I never opened this before.
iPhone 6 na.
Don't remove it yet. What's in the box?
Phone. Yeah, headset. Charger. And some headsets. And it comes with the SIM card. There's nothing. There's nothing here. Move on to the next gift.